next month.
Opening the files or keeping them closed?
A group representing survivors of priest abuse is asking that the Milwaukee Archdiocese open all its documents relating to their investigations and recent depositions in the court.
Fox 6's Myra Sanchik tells you it all happens on a day of reflection and remorse for the church.
For the second straight year, Archbishop Jerome Listecki will begin Child Abuse Prevention Month with a Mass of Atonement. The Archbishop will lie down in front of the altar at St. Francis Cabrini Parish in West Bend to symbolize humility as a church before God. On this day, a group of victim advocates who've been abused by priests is urging the Archbishop to release all documents regarding the cases they've investigated over the years. Some victims plan to join in the Mass.
We all struggle with what is right, but we have to practice what we preach. And that's especially important when you're a preacher.
Peter Isley will be one who will ask a judge the same thing as the Milwaukee Archdiocese bankruptcy case is heard next Thursday. 570 people have filed claims against the Archdiocese, alleging they were abused by priests as children.
Well, the people that need to be held responsible have not been held responsible, and what you have in these documents are the truth. And the gospel tells us that the truth shall set us free.
A spokesman for the Archdiocese says most abuse survivors want their identities protected, so the Archdiocese will do what it can to protect that. The Archdiocese spokesman says tonight is a focus on spirituality of the church. It is not about legal proceedings.
U.S. bankruptcy is scheduled to hear the arguments on unsealing the documents next week. Previously, she issued a protective order to seal the information. For the victims group plan to say releasing the documents will show the scope of the situation in Wisconsin. The Archdiocese says no one group represents all the victims, and most victims choose to file their claims without identifying themselves. Ted and Mary?
Myra, thank you. We've all heard the saying.